Everyone, you are the essence, you are the manifestation of that word that I'm going to speak. It's just enough. See the result of what we have started ay hindi pa ako tumatanda. Ako'y nagsisimula pala sa inyong mga. This is how God revealed it to me that surely you are just in the life of the beginning. Kasi sometimes I said, Lord, am I finishing the task? But I feel in my heart that surely this is just the grand alumni of what you have started. Pero kayo yung mga panimula. Sa totoo, hindi kayo yung katapusan. But kayo yung isang punla. Yung isang seed. You are just the seed of the new beginning. Kaya salamat po marami sa inyong pagdating. Thank you so much for being here. I am so proud of yourself. Lahat dahil kayo ay nagiging mabuting mga estudyante ng MISPA. Please be seated.